Hi and welcome back to Battlefield 6. I want to win, I want to get 6 kills playing as a helicopter pilot or as a bomber pilot, but yeah, more likely helicopter pilot. And for that we only have a couple of maps to try this on. That's right, so let's start. See if we can find a Conquest around with a helicopter for us to fly. And then we have to kill 6 people. And this will be really hard in one round. So, yeah. This can get crazy. Do I have the right player for this? Engineer. Round will be starting. I'm on the right side. I can't zoom in. Can I? No. It'd be nice to zoom in to get like the location of the helicopter so I can turn already in the right direction to start getting that. Anti-armor, maybe we can change that to combat engineer so I can repair faster. Maybe that's a bit of a tweak. Come on, load in. Right. Brat is there. Where is the helicopter? I can see it to the right. I saw something. Yes, we are closest and we are. Oh, come on, let me. Okay, we have a co-pilot. It's also nice. How do I switch? I like this better. At least he missed this. Okay, we have to go down. Now it's every dead. I hope somebody shooting down the other helicopter because I have fucking nothing to deal with them. I see a helicopter switch guns. Come on, why is it unlocking that? To turn around, otherwise I get damaged. Locked. Get away. I have to reload a bit. Maybe my... please. Hopefully we have a helicopter pilot that is able to get down these helicopters. Oh, come on, really? Another one? I think that's also a jet. Yeah, I guess it was a jet. Reload. So, I think the whole gameplay... Oh man, really? They always have them. Don't use it, we don't use it yet. Because our... Who's aiming at us? Come on, let me. Oh, they are all too low. What the fuck? Who's aiming at us? We can't get anywhere. I shouldn't stay here. Please mark some enemies for me. Please mark enemies for me. I can't see anyone here. We have to fly a bit erratically. Otherwise they will shoot me down. Who's shooting at me? 87. 87. Fly low. We really took damage here. Repaired. Almost repaired. Which one do we have? I can't see. Please, come on. I need 6 people in a vehicle or something. Who's in? Why are they always in on me? What the fuck?
Attention! Enemies are attacking Delta.
I don't see anyone. Oh, not a single kill, what the fuck? Really? That's the thing, I don't know what to do. The range inside. At least he... What the fuck hit me? No, it didn't hit me. But he jumped out, so I can't hit him. I'm way too high. At least my co-pilot stays in the vehicle, which is quite nice. Oh, why don't they fucking... Nobody aiming at them.
I got eyes on enemy vehicle!
Come on, really? Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Oh, this team is... What? Nobody's aiming at them. Our anti-air is not shooting at them, so they have always flares. Even though they're flying extremely high. Fuck that. And nobody marks anyone, so you have to fucking spot them yourself. Always nice thing. I have not a single kill. 315 damage, 1 assist, nice. Fuck that. This mission is so crazy bad. You need a good team that's really working like in trying to down the other air vehicles, and that's not happening. That's not happening. So somebody's, I think, soul flamming in my direction, but I couldn't see where. But you had no chance. If you flew anything higher than 50 meters above ground, you were like instantly aimed at, and then. Yeah, you had no targets in your area. Now they're flying towards us. They're in our spawn now. But yeah, we have no chance. Why do we have 2 attack helicopters? I don't know what's going on there. Oh, come on! I need a vehicle. I need a vehicle. Come on.
I need a pickup over here!
What is this guy doing? Can you see me?
Hey, I need a lift!
Why the fuck are you... Wait for me, you idiot! Why isn't you fucking flying away? No, thank you, but no. You idiot! This is why people shouldn't play Battlefield. He has no benefit of flying alone, but he is still choosing actively to fly alone. For no fucking reason. And for some reason the visualization of it's broken as well. Is it broken down? Yeah, I think so. You fucking moron, you fucking idiot. Somebody spawned him in there? Yeah, he is. Fuck that. I fucking hate this game. This is so bad. Man, who fucking... Oh, this is so dumb. That's, I think, the transport helicopter. Where did we have 2? And he is fucking down. So nice flying. I think you contributed very well to our team effort. And now he's fucking waiting like me in the fucking lobby forever, clicking his fucking mouse by fucking chance to get in. Nothing else. Nothing else will happen. And for sure, somebody else will be faster than me. Because it's just random. Yeah, of course it's not available, it's not even half loaded in. Fuck that. Maybe if I shoot down some helicopters, but I don't think it will be possible. Yeah, maybe you shouldn't just fly straight ahead, maybe. Idiot, you're dead. Loadout. Come on, let me kill this guy. Oh, come on! This was really bad. Come on, let me...
Hostiles still control more objectives.
This was crazy. I have no idea why my mouse sensitivity changed there. But I'm cutting there. But how am I supposed to get like 6 kills in a helicopter? You don't even get a fucking helicopter. And if you do, you get a fucking team that you have to fight like 2 planes, 2 enemy helicopters and whatnot at the same time. There's someone. You should try and defend this flag, I would say. I can't see. Somebody here. Somewhat around there. This was a dumb idea. But the flare is way too overpowered. I'm using it just to annoy people. Oh, let me cap it. Nice.
We now control more objectives. Defend our position.
See that? They don't even see me. Surely they don't. Nice flying there.
Attack support is needed on the marked objective.
Oh, fuck! I didn't even hear that! Did you hear that there was a tank? Nobody fucking noticed that. This is also something. Who's fucking responsible for the fucking sound in this game? Oh, nobody fucking. Shit. Am I playing this game? I actually don't know. This round is 70% completed. I have fucking no single hit out of a kill out of a fucking plane. And you're supposed to, you're like thinking it's a good challenge to get somebody to kill 6 fucking people. Get kills in a match while using an agar or whatever. I don't know, getting 10 kills per match or yeah, I think 10 kills per match in one match. Without giving someone a fucking vehicle to use to complete this. You have one helicopter that's almost every time taken. And you can't fly up. I do have the fucking best loadout for it. Because if you don't unlock every single thing... 1 second, how do I check my vehicles? Change character, close, replace. How do I customize it? Oh, this is a dumb menu. See that? I have the fucking lightest rockets, which are the ones that are actually doing damage. I only equip the fucking anti-air because I don't want to aim across the map with a fucking laser guided weapon, and I don't think I can hit something with it. But let's do it like that. I have the fucking ground sensor to spot them faster. Radar system. Maybe do that. And this one can't be changed. And even if you don't have it, you are such a disadvantage. And you're still supposed to kill 6 people in 10 people in one round. And the fucking round is almost over. Let's hope for the best. I'm pressing already, and I got it. Just luck. Nothing else. So now we can wait for somebody to join us. I can't even ask for a co-pilot, which is also really dumb. In the previous games you had a chance to do that. So let's see, where are enemies? Around, and there's an anti-air. And I'm dead. And I'm fucking dead, because the fucking anti-air right at the spawn. Who thought this is a great idea? To put a fucking, on a flat map. Let's land and repair first. Otherwise it will take forever. Still, we don't have fucking anything, even though we had the best rockets, even with the improved warhead or whatever they're called. For some reason I can't repair further. Let's see, can we... Where's this thing? Let's see, there it is. Come on, a bit to the left, to the left, to the left. I fucking don't know where it went. And I don't see any people. Somebody shot at me. Where are they?
Objective is under attack.
Where are the hostiles? Oh, another fucking hit! Fuck that! Fuck this game. What the fuck? Man, this sucks so bad. There are at least 2 people and I can't hit them. What the fuck? Is it kill? Damn it, just this fucking kidding, you fucking piece of garbage, you fucking shit. Ah, this game sucks. Where do my fucking rockets fly at? Is it a fucking cross? Is it a fucking barrel type T-shape? No, it's double T-shaped bar? Where are they flying at? I think they're flying towards the fucking T... No, what the fuck? They're flying to the cross. Let's see. Where are hostiles? Come on, please tell me something to shoot at. There is somebody. And I... Squad... Enemy spot? What the fuck? I didn't even get a fucking kill there. Didn't I? And now I have nothing to aim at this thing. Maybe I can shoot this tank, even though I can't even... Ah, the fucking rockets. And there's another anti-air. Really? And I'm fucking crashed. Fuck this. Fuck this fucking game. Fuck that. I don't fuck. Oh shit. This game sucks so hard. What the fuck? Yeah, what for active deck junior and fucking games. I hear it, but I can't see it. What the fuck? Oh, my finger's gone. What the...
Neutralized.
Hi, what the fuck? I can't do anything. I can't...